Hello, this is Kyle from GlobeOfGeek.com, and this is GoG's guide to index.php. Now, as you can see here, we've made a couple files in previous videos. We have syntax.php, test.php file.php, and if you were to go to your browser here, you see in localhost/gog.php, this is the file, or this is the folder, we have all of our files listed here. We can open them as we did before. However, I'm going to discuss a little thing I like to call index.php, or it's generically known as that. So if you make a folder, or a file, called index.php, just like this, your browser is going to recognize it as the root, or the server I should say, where once you've created a file such as this, it's going to ignore all of the other files and simply display this one. It's your default display file. That's what you can look at it as. So gog.php, you check now it's a blank page, right? And there's nothing there. This is because it's going directly to your index.php file. And if we were to delete this again, and you were to refresh the page, you're still at the same location. You can just reload the page, and it should display your files another time, right? This is because it's not finding the index.php and it's not displaying it. So as you can see on a website, this is a very useful feature if you want the main default page. Say GlobeOfGeek.com. You're actually visiting the index.php page, but you don't realize it. So here we're going to make a folder called index, and inside this folder, we'll try it yet again. We're going to put a file called index.php. So just create that, index.php. Yes, I'd like to change this. And we're also going to make another folder just to show that it does overlap. We're going to make one called another.php. And in another.php, we're going to put some text, anything you would really like. It'll display it, so there won't be a problem with that. We can open another.php, and as you can see on the browser, if we go check this quickly, it should display a folder now in your directory listing. Right here, it'll have index. There's a slash. This shows that it's a folder. So now here we have the text editor open, and we're going to put hello. Spelled hello wrong. That's embarrassing. As you see now, if we open the index folder, it's not going to display hello. You see, it's just displaying index. But if you go back here, it's still displaying your file, all your files, right? So the index only works on the main folder that you're in, and you can use that to direct a root view to your PHP files. So it displays only that. There's ways of overriding this, however, it's not really needed, as the whole point of index is to be your main folder or your main file to view.